This lesson is 11.1 on angles and fractional parts of a circle. The directions for 1 through 3 say, tell what fraction of the circle the shaded angle represents. So what fraction of the circle? For 4 through 6, it says, tell whether the angle on the circle shows a 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, or 1 full turn clockwise or counterclockwise. So they have to do both. They have to give the fraction and underline 1 full turn clockwise or counterclockwise. So for example, let's do number 5. What is the fraction that it has turned? What is the fraction? What is the fraction? If you were to break this into fourth, how much did it turn? 3/4. And what direction did it go? It went around this way. So is that clockwise or counterclockwise? It is clockwise. So you would put 3/4 turn clockwise.
Could you put C?
Let's go ahead and write clockwise. Okay. For number 8, it says Mark took 30 minutes. This is being funny. Mark took 30 minutes to finish lunch. How many minutes, everybody? 30 minutes. And you should underline that. So 30 minutes to finish lunch. Describe the turn the minute hand made. So we're just going to start. So he took 30 minutes. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Draw your arrow. This is how you can show your work. And so he ended here at the 6. Is that where we ended with our arrow? We went from here to here. Okay, so he started at 12 o'clock and he ended at what time? 12:30. So how much of a turn did it make? Everybody. 1/2. So you'd write 1/2 turn. Which way did it go? Clockwise. Yeah, he went with the time. He didn't go back in time. Clockwise. Okay, remember back in time is counterclockwise. All right, good job. This lesson is 11.2 on degrees. For numbers 1 through 3, it says tell the measure of the angle in degrees. You have to look at what it is over 360. So the denominator has to be 360, and then you figure it out from that point. We know that a straight angle is what? Degrees, everybody?
180.
Perfect. And what is the degree measurement of a right angle?
90 degrees.
So I kind of just helped you with 2 and 3. So just think about that. Okay, number 4 through 6, it says classify the angle. Write acute, right, or straight. So we know that an acute angle is less than what degrees? Everybody. 90 degrees. And we know that obtuse is what to 90 degrees? Yes, obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. And what's a straight angle, everybody?
180 degrees.
Perfect. So I know that if this is 25 for number 4, it's way less than 90 degrees, so it's what? Acute. It's acute. Okay, number 7 through 9, it says classify the triangle, write acute, obtuse, or right. So we look at the biggest angle, and that will tell us what kind of triangle it is. So in this case, for number 7, we have this angle right here, and we have a clue there. It has a what symbol?
Right.
It is a right, but it has a what to show that it's a right? A square. Perfect. So this is a what kind of triangle? Right. Okay, and then in number 8, we're going to look at the biggest angle, which is 110 degrees. And we know that a 90-degree angle is what? I'm sorry, a right triangle is what degrees?
90.
I just gave it to you. So is 110 greater or less than 90 degrees? Greater than. So number 8 is what? Obtuse. Okay, for number 10, It says, through what fraction of a circle did the minute hand turn?
Teachers, just 2 quick announcements.
Anne started reading at 4 o'clock p.m. What time?
4 o'clock p.m.
Okay, so she started at 4 o'clock. So I am going to say 4 o'clock. I'm going to draw the minute hand for 4 o'clock. And she finished at 4:20. So she went from here, 4 o'clock, to 4:20. Okay, so that is how many degrees of a turn. Through what fraction of a circle did the minute hand turn? So we know that we've got 5 here, 10, 15, and 20. Right? Would you agree with that? Okay, we also know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 divided by 4 is what?
3.
Everybody, what's 12? Because there are 12 hours right here. So we have 12, and we went 4 sections. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So she went 1 out of 3. Would you agree? If we drew this into thirds, it would be 1 out of 3. So 1/3. And what direction did it go? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
So perfect. You would write 1/3 turn clockwise.
I can't see the blue.
Okay, I won't use blue again. All right. And then for number 11, it says, how many degrees did the minute hand turn? So you would look at 1/3. This is how you'll figure it out. 1/3. And how many degrees are in a whole hour, in a whole circle?
360 degrees.
Perfect. Let me change this to yellow. So we have 1/3, and it's 360 degrees. This is 360. That's probably hard for you to see. I'll write it right here. So 1/3 and 360 degrees. Okay, so 3 times what is 360? 120. Perfect. So what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So we do 1 times 120 is what?
120.
Say it like you're excited.
120.
Perfect. So we know that this is the degrees if it's over 360. So our degrees here would be 120 degrees.